and the view from your master bedroom. Beautiful. Hello, my friends. We are today in Rolling Hills. Look how beautiful is the Pacific Ocean right behind me. This is a beautiful house, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, incredible place, 1,600 square meters of lot. Let me show it to you. First of all, I want to show you the living room and the kitchen. Look at this place. This comes totally furnished, right? The way you see it. We have high ceilings, almost 4 meters. All this marble kitchen with all the imaginable appliances, gas stove. We have a huge gas tank. We have 20,000 liters of cistern, so we have more than enough water. Look, this is a master bedroom. Look the space and the view. We have this beautiful king bedroom, king bed. So we have as well huge bathroom. Come and see it by yourself. We have bath tube with the views of Pacific Ocean. We have a shower room, and we have, of course, huge walk-in closet. Let me show you the other 2 rooms. Okay? Follow me. We have 1.5 bathroom, big one, laundry, and this first view, you think it's an office, but we have here a bed. So no worries. This office, you can make a big and beautiful bedroom with beautiful view. It has full bathroom. And here, let me show you the 3rd bedroom. And now, again, spacious big bedroom with the high ceilings, totally furnished with a big full bathroom. Right? Nice place. And look at this terrace. How amazing it is. Wow. We have a pool table here. It's a swimming pool, heated swimming pool. You have this dining table and this bar. So you can have your drinks, refreshments, or beer with this incredible view of Pacific Ocean. And this way we have our rooftop. Amazing place. All this 360-degree view. So this way we have Starlink as well and air conditioners. You have pretty enough space to put your solar panels here as well. By the way, this house has a covered garage with space for 2 cars. So what do you think about this amazing property? Did you like it? Would you buy it? Would you recommend someone to buy it? If you have any doubt or question, or you have any comment, you can write me or you can call me directly. See you in the next video.